Let's make coconut syrup using coconut water. To make this syrup, I am going to start with my coconut water. And I'm going to put 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, which is 240 milliliters, into my saucepan. I could use the whole thing, but I'm not going to today. And because I'm making a 1-to-1 syrup, 1 part liquid to 1 part sugar, I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar and put that in my saucepan as well. And now I'm going to take this over to the stovetop. Here at the stovetop, I'm going to put this over a medium-low heat, and I'm going to slowly raise the temperature and stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove this from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. Now that the syrup is cool, there's only one thing left to do. Bottle, label, and refrigerate. So I'll pour it into the bottle. Probably going to need 2 bottles. Let's see if I spill. That's an interesting pink color. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit more left. I'll need another bottle. Masking tape or fancy label in case you have a fancy label. So, coconut, water, 1-to-1, 20 September 24. And there you have it, coconut syrup using coconut water. Enjoy.